I haven't had a new phone in so long, bro.
What? Oh, she's crying.
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Oh wow.
Awesome, thank you guys.
Hey guys, we're the Stokes twins. I'm Alan.
And I'm Alex. So this morning we went to 4 different Apple stores and picked up 8 iPhone 11s, and we're gonna be giving them away to random strangers and hopefully make their day better.
Let's try to get this video to 150,000 likes. I know we can do it, guys. So yeah, let's get this video started.
Hey, excuse me?
Yo.
Do you know when the iPhone 11 is dropping?
Was that today or?
It was today.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I'm Alex, by the way.
Katie,
Yeah,
nice to meet you.
Oh, you don't have one?
I don't have one, bro.
Oh shoot, why not?
They're like $1,000, right?
Nah, man. I'm actually on the way to the bus stop.
Oh, shoot.
I gotta get it like a car first or something.
It's a little pricey. I just fixed my car. So.
No,
Why not?
I just paid for textbooks.
Really? Yeah, those
So-
can be pretty expensive.
Yeah, it's a lot of money for school.
Bro, I'm playing for classes out here. Like,
Uh-huh.
all I got is this like crack iPhone 6.
Oh wow. Have you ever wanted an iPhone before?
I did actually. Yeah, they're pretty cool. All my friends got one, so.
So I'll tell you what, man. I don't have a new car for you, but I do have a new iPhone 11 that I want to give you, man.
No way.
Yeah, I
Are
mean,
you sure?
yeah, I mean, it's. I know it's not a car or anything, but this is the least I could do for you, man. You seem like a nice
real?
person. I just want to help you out, man. Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, and you
Bro,
said
are you
you're.
sure?
Yeah, no, I'm serious, man. You can have that.
Well, I actually went to the Apple store this morning at 4 and I got the iPhone 11, and I actually want you to have one.
You're joking.
No, I'm not joking. You can keep that if you want.
Are you serious?
So I don't have a new screen, but I do have the new iPhone 11 Max Pro.
No,
And
bro.
no, I want to give it to you. No, seriously, here.
You're kidding.
No, I'm serious. I want you to have it, man.
I bought like a new one, so yeah, check it out. It's
Yeah,
like,
that's what it looks like.
yeah, it has 3 cameras and everything. So
Dude, this looks like quality, honestly.
yeah,
What? Here you go.
pretty nice. Nope. What are you doing?
What?
That's yours now.
Nah.
Yeah,
no.
no, I'm not joking around. You can keep that.
Nah, you're mad.
No. What do you mean have it back? No, that's yours now, man.
This is
Like,
for you.
Why? Why me?
why you? Cause you seem like a really nice person. That's why.
Aw.
Yeah,
I mean,
and
I
like
guess.
Oh, why are you doing this?
honestly, I'm just trying to like brighten other people's day, and just hopefully you enjoy it. So yeah.
You said you're going to the bus stop. Like, where are you
Yeah.
headed?
Man, I gotta get all the way home. I live really far from.
Oh shoot, man. Wait, let me actually call you an Uber, man. Would you rather ride Uber? Or would you rather?
That would be crazy.
Oh
Honestly.
shoot. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Really?
Let me just call you. Okay, so it says it should be here in like 4 minutes, but yeah, man. So we can do that instead of ride the bus. But yeah.
Yo, I really
Yeah.
appreciate you.
Yeah, of course.
man.
Wait, let me actually
For real.
walk you there, man, just so you know where it's at. But yeah, I want you to have it. Yeah, I'm serious. You just seem like a nice person from what I can tell, and I want to do something nice for you, man.
Yeah,
so yeah,
thank you so
deserve it, man.
much.
Yeah, of course,
No
dude.
way.
Yeah.
I can't take that.
No, you have to. Like, I'm having like conversation with people before like I'm handing them the phone, and you seem like such a good person.
You
Like,
don't even like know me, man.
I
just
know,
met you,
but like you just seem like a genuine person. Like, I can just tell from like having like a conversation with you. And I want to help you out. I want to give you this, man. So you can take
I
this.
haven't had a new phone in so long, bro.
Shoot. Dang, I can only imagine how that feels, man. Cause
Are you serious? This is
like
this is mine.
no,
Like,
like
you're
I'm
not
serious. This isn't
messing
like a
around.
prank or
This is
thing.
a
You can
real
actually
one.
keep that.
No,
yeah.
I'm being completely serious.
Do I have to pay for it?
Yeah, just my PayPal is linked to that. No, I'm kidding. No, you don't have to. You don't have to pay for that.
You
No.
seem like a nice person, dude. Like you really do. No, you're actually gonna make me cry,
This
dude. Like
means
take
so
care,
much
dude.
to
No,
me, bro.
seriously, man.
Are you
Of
serious?
course.
Should I
Yeah.
give you a hug?
Yeah. No, of
Okay.
course. Yeah, we can.
Yeah, of course.
You want to go get like a smoothie or something? Like,
Oh, you want a
honestly,
smoothie?
I'll buy you a smoothie, dude.
No. Yeah, sure. Like, are you busy right now, or
No.
really? You want?
No.
Is there like one on campus?
Yeah, I
Is it cool if my twin comes? Twins, right? I have a twin brother. I'm actually filming a video with my twin brother, right here, and the camera's right there. Yeah, we're just.
Can I give you a hug?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. Are you?
Wait, you're
give you a
crying?
hug, too.
What?
Aw.
She's crying.
Oh my gosh! What the heck?
Oh wow.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
See ya. Oh my gosh, he was so nice.
Yeah, of course. And I actually already paid for Apple Care on that, and my number's on there. So if you want to give me a call, I'm totally good. My number's not already free on there. But yeah.
You guys are so awesome. Why
If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a like. And also be sure to subscribe because we do make weekly videos.
So yeah, with that being said, we'll see you guys next time.